Hi, my name is Justin Conway. Today I'm going to talk about setting borders in Microsoft Excel. There are two different ways to approach the border in Microsoft Excel. The first one is within the document, and if you're talking about the image of a border, so these lines here, these are called borders. If you select that area, right-click, and go to Format Cells, you'll have the option to, if you click on Border, you'll have the option to edit the way that looks. If you want to take out the border, select None, click OK, and as you can see, the border has been taken out of there. The other way to do it is if you go to View and Page Layout, you now have borders on the sides of your page. So that's a different type of border, but also editable. Now in Page View, you can actually just drag the lines, the very sides of this border to adjust it. And that's basically how to adjust borders in Microsoft Excel. My name is Justin Conway, and I hope that helps.